Hey, we're here with the, was it 6A practice test. Got the last few questions here, just all of our graphing. So, first thing we need to do is we need to think about what are the zeros going to be. I got something out front, that's a 0. Positive 4 here means negative 4. Positive 2 and negative 1. Remember, we change all of our signs. So then we can go ahead and plot those out here. Negative 4, positive 2, and minus 1. I'm fairly certain on your actual test we've got a graph there for you to graph on. I know on your practice test it's not there because we're saving space, but you can make a good sketch on there. But on your real test I think we've got one for you. So let's think about what's going on here. Looking at my front, that means it's a negative type graph. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's a negative x to the 4 type graph. So I'm going to start out with my right side negative. Even power means left side is also going to be negative. 4 minus 1 is 3, so I've got 3 turns. So it's going to be one of these guys that you're probably sick of drawing by now. Maybe you're not, maybe you think they're awesome. I do. That's a pretty ugly one though. If you were one of my kids turning that in, I'd be making fun of you. But yet here I am, drawing it for everybody. Alright, so now we just got to make sure that goes through my points. So we're just going to kind of spin it around, throw it in there, and we're good to go. Not too bad. Here, this is actually our easiest one. We got a plus 3, a plus 2, and a minus 1. 3, 2, and 1. I've got 3 x's, so it's an x cubed graph. There is no negative sign out front, so it's positive. That means it's going to start out on the right side going up. Odd means my left side is going to be going down. 3 minus 1 is 2, so I get 1, 2 turning spots, turning points, and we're ready to graph. Oh, that's great. That really should be more curvy right there. Oh yeah, that's nice. So that looks pretty good. Last one for the day. Alright, so I get my minus 3 and my plus 3. Put those out here. Now what's weird is we got to make sure we take care of that 2. 2 means bounce, so when I get to this point I'm going to bounce off of it. I'm not going to go through that one. That's what I need to remember. How many x's are there? Well, there's really 1, 2, 3 of them because of the squares, so it's an x cubed type graph again. It's positive again, so again it's going to kind of look just like we had before, only this point here needs to bounce off of my positive 3. So draw it in here. We go down, go down, go down, bounce, and then shoot on through. And that's it. Good luck to you guys on your test. I'm sure wonderful things are going to happen. So be safe out there and make good choices with your lives. And we'll see you after winter break.